Hello there! Choosing the right CBD oil can feel overwhelming with so many brands on the market. Before we dive into the science of quality, I want to share our personal favorite. You can find the link in the description below, and we've also added a special discount code there if you want to try it out. After testing almost every major brand available, we found this one consistently outperforms the rest. But if you want to do your own research, you need to know what happens behind the scenes. Today, we're breaking down the 4 pillars of CBD quality. It all starts in the soil. Hemp is what's known as a bioaccumulator, meaning it acts like a sponge for everything in its environment. This is great for cleaning the earth, a process called phytoremediation, but bad for your oil if the soil contains heavy metals or pesticides. Those toxins end up concentrated in the final product you consume. That's why you should only buy from brands that source their hemp from the US or Europe, where agricultural standards are strictly regulated. Look for farms in Colorado or Oregon for the highest quality. While official USDA organic certification is the gold standard, many boutique farms follow organic practices without the label. Always verify they are pesticide-free. Next, let's talk about how the oil is actually pulled from the plant. The method used determines the purity and safety of your CBD. Supercritical CO2 extraction is the industry's gold standard. It uses pressurized carbon dioxide to pull the cannabinoids out, leaving zero toxic residue behind. Ethanol extraction is also safe and effective, though it can sometimes pull out chlorophyll, giving the oil a more bitter, grassy taste. It's a great natural alternative. Avoid brands that use hydrocarbon solvents like butane or propane. These are cheaper but carry a much higher risk of leaving chemical residues in your wellness product. The most important piece of paper in the industry is the Certificate of Analysis, or COA. If a brand doesn't have one for every batch, walk away. The COA proves that what's on the label is actually in the bottle. Studies show that a staggering 70% of CBD products sold online are mislabeled. A complete report includes safety panels. It should confirm that the oil is free from heavy metals like lead and arsenic, which hemp can absorb from the soil. It also screens for pesticides and microbials like mold, yeast, and bacteria. These safety panels ensure that the product is shelf-stable and won't cause adverse reactions from hidden contaminants. Finally, you need to choose the right spectrum for your needs. There are 3 main types: full spectrum, broad spectrum, and isolate. Full spectrum CBD contains all the natural compounds found in the plant, including trace amounts of THC. This creates the entourage effect, a synergistic relationship where the compounds boost each other's effectiveness. Broad spectrum is similar, but has the THC completely removed. It's perfect for those who want the plant's benefits without any detectable THC. And CBD isolate is pure, 99% cannabidiol, with everything else removed. It's flavorless and precise, though it lacks the extra boost of other cannabinoids. Now you know exactly what to look for: clean soil, CO2 extraction, third-party lab results, and the right spectrum for you. I know that's a lot to process. If you want to skip the trial and error, I recommend checking out our personal winner. We've done the homework for you. As a thank you for watching this video, we've added a 15% discount code for that brand in the description below. Thanks for watching, and here's to finding the perfect CBD for your journey.